Welcome back! In this video, I'm going to show you 13 basic strokes to get your brush lettering journey started, so just keep on watching. We've previously discussed about how to hold a pen and the different levels of pressure. Let's go through 13 basic strokes to get you started. This is a great way for you to start mastering your brush pens as well as the up and down strokes. You don't always need to use guidelines, but I do recommend as a beginner to download my free practice sheet at mattprintscollection.com or have some kind of guidance. Let's practice some drills. Let's start with your basic thin strokes. On your way up, don't apply any pressure. Let's move on to your down strokes, where you need to apply more pressure than your thin strokes. Let's practice your curved strokes. On your way down, apply firm pressure, and on your way up, release the pressure. Let's revert the process. On your way up, thin and no pressure. On your way down, firm pressure. Now we are going to connect the previous strokes. On your way up, thin stroke. On your way down, firm stroke and pressure. Up and down and release. Here are some down strokes with curves at the beginning and the end of the stroke. Let's do some triangles. On your way up, no pressure, thin stroke. On your way down, firm pressure, thick stroke. Up, down, up. And this next shape will help you practice those tricky S's. Up, thin, down, up, down. The following exercise will help you with those oval shapes. Down, up, down, pressure, release, pressure, up. This is a fun exercise, like a snail. This exercise is good for your L's and your E's. On your way up thin, way down, up thin, and down pressure. Let's challenge that muscle memory with some loops. On your way up thin, on your way down, on your way up thin, on your way down pressure. Don't be scared to bend that pen. Your final exercise, those tricky loops as the S's. On your way up thin, on your way down strong, on your way up thin and curve. Practice these basic exercises many times as you feel necessary. It will help you master your brush pen and the different levels of pressure, as well as that muscle memory. In the next video, we'll go through the lowercase letters together. In the meantime, just remember that practice makes perfect. Subscribe to this channel as I'll be posting more advanced drills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.